Welcome to the zExpense app, where you can easily and quickly create your mileage registration. Let's explore the various options available for registering mileage within the app. Upon opening the app, you'll find several convenient methods for mileage registration. On the main screen of the app, you can select the tracking button to enable the app to track your mileage until you reach your destination. When you arrive, simply press the Stop Tracking button. During the mileage tracking process, you have the option to collapse the tracking screen by pressing the Collapse button. This allows you to continue tracking without constantly looking at the screen. To bring back the tracking screen, press the Return button. Alternatively, you can choose to register your mileage by selecting Add New next to the mileage section on the main screen. From there, you can choose an address from your history as your starting point. You can also select Use Current Location or manually enter an address at the top. To save frequently used addresses, you can mark them as favorites by pressing the star icon. To register your mileage, start by selecting the address you are driving from, then press the check mark in the upper right corner. Next, choose a destination address following the same process as the departure address. The app uses Google Maps to calculate the distance between the two addresses. You have the option to set up the app to deduct the distance from your home address. Registration numbers can be preset or entered manually. The compensation can be adjusted according to the state regulations, with a lower rate applied after the first 20,000 kilometers in the current year. Additionally, you can set up different dimension values of your choice, such as department. On the map, you can choose an alternative route if desired. Selecting an alternative route will recalculate the distance. If there are any changes in the mileage, such as roadworks, the app may require you to fill in the comment field. Both the calculated distance and the manually entered distance are saved, allowing you to see the difference. Once your mileage has been registered, press the check mark in the upper right corner. You will then have the option to create a return route or continue the current route, similar to adding via points. When you are ready to settle your mileage registration, click on the specific registration and select Submit. This will send it for approval. Alternatively, you can mark multiple registrations and send them for approval altogether, such as the end of the month when payroll must be made. A mileage registration can also be included in an overall expense settlement.